Hey guys, it's Diane Mary. I'm going to do a really quick demo video of what I do with my hair before I go to bed now. This is day one freshly washed hair. Really happy with this wash today. I did do my monthly protein treatment today where I use a protein treatment with heat, and then you have to put something really moisturizing on top of it, and it's really good for strength and repairing. I only do it once a month because that's all it needs. Too much could lead to protein overload. But yeah, so this is the one side. Really like the definition. It's so soft. My hair is looking a little frizzy now because I was just outside with my dog playing a little bit and it was super humid, more humid than I realized. These parts, as usual, are like the most damaged. You could even see under it, like, I feel like my hair is getting better and better, which is great. And let me show you the back. Okay, and this is the back of it. So really great wash day. For all the products and stuff that I use, you could check out my Instagram. I've been posting the details on there. It's mainly Tweaked and Heart Clinic, and the protein treatment I used was by Wavy, but they don't sell it to consumers anymore, which makes me really sick. So I just ran out, so I need another one. But yeah, I don't need to do too much tonight, which is nice. So it's gonna be actually hopefully quick. But this is what I do at night. I just drop something because I am me. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Diane. I do my videos one done through, no edits, no redo. Far from a perfect human being, as you saw, because I dropped this. So the first thing I do at night is I'm going to put on my Heart Clinic custom extract. This goes on the scalp only, and this is if you're experiencing hair loss and thinning. As always, I'm not a medical doctor or anything, so you definitely want to go to your doctor if you've been experiencing anything like that. But for my own personal reasons of why I was shedding and I lost a lot of my density, this stuff, I've been using it since November. It's been amazing. You just put it up to the 4 on this thing, and then you just put it on your scalp. What you can't see is I'm slowly pressing it down. This is really liquidy. It's like water, so it's run down my forehead more times than I should admit. But going all the way back, focusing on my temples, because that was an area where I did feel that, like, I saw a big difference towards the back, the sides. And with this Heart Clinic extract, you have to do it twice, at least a half an hour apart. So this is my first time I am massaging it in. And then, like, after I watch a little TV and stuff, in a while, when I know it's at least a half an hour, I will go put the second one on, and you just do the same thing. But I am just massaging it in. It goes into your scalp really quickly. I focus on rubbing on the hairlines and temples, always with the pads of my fingers, never my nails, because your nails will scratch your head and it could scab your follicles, and that's not good. So always, if you're going to give yourself any type of scalp massage, make sure you use your pads and not your nails. So just massaging that in, really getting it in there. Super impressed by this line. There, so okay, so that's the first thing I do every night. And now, like I said, I have a really good hair day. I don't need to do much, but with this frizz, let me get in closer, especially these fronts. Plus I sleep in air conditioning. Obviously, it's disgustingly humid out. I want something to protect it with the moisture. I've been using this spray nearly every single night, Tweaked by Nature, the Revitalizing Mist. This is the Tribal Chocolate. I really like this one at night, or I'll go in with a Wild Summer Apricot, which is another gourmand scent, because the sweet gourmand scents just helps, very relaxing and calming at night. So I just spray a little bit. Because my hair doesn't look super bad, I'm not sectioning it or anything. If it looked like it needed more help, more moisture, I would section it, but taking my hands, doing a little praying hands just to get it through the lens, and focusing on the front, as I just said, that's the worst part. I mean, real quick, obviously it has to dry and set, but the side that I just did versus the side I didn't do yet, this is such an amazing moisturizing spray. It has strengthening, repairing ingredients, help with breakage. It comes in so many different scents. I'm not sponsored or endorsed or anything by this brand. I'd love to be. I'd love to work for them. If they were like, "Hey, Diane, come work for us," I'd be like, "Yep." But a girl could dream. Probably would never happen, but you know, dreaming. So just spraying, probably sprayed a little more on this side, going towards the ends. And notice how when I do this, I'm kind of roping it. I'm not taking my fingers and like raking it, just because that would disrupt the curl, which since it's day one, I don't want that. Do a little bit more towards the ends. And then I just, for good measure, I'm not someone who is light-handed with product. To get the back. especially the ends. And to seal it in, I'm going to use the tiniest amount of oil, actually. This is another product by Tweaked by Nature. This is their Rejuvenating Treatment Oil. This is a brand new scent, Above the Clouds. I bought off HSN. Whenever the last time they were on HSN? June 26th, so it was the 7th anniversary. Opening this carefully because it's been hot, and it's usually solid, but it could be liquid because it's so hot. Yeah, it's kind of like that, so... This smell, the Above the Clouds is like lilac and vanilla, and then it's mixed with like that Ojon coffee smell. So good. This is all I'm using for my whole head because, again, it's day one hair and I want it to last, but I want it to be protected. Turn that into a nice oil. Sniffing it. Concentrating where my hair is driest, which is the front and the ends. I'll bring it up, but not too much. I'll go like this then. But now it's up, but it wasn't pressing as hard. So, now that it's all ready for bed, and you know, through the night, because I twist and turn, then the dryness, I wake up and it doesn't look like producty or anything. It just still needs to set. But I sleep with this on. This is a Curly and Elegant. This is a silk buff, and this is about the only thing that'll stay on my head. I do sleep with silk pillowcases because I'm a restless sleeper, so not every night I will leave something on my head, but every silk bonnet I ever tried was super uncomfortable for me. But this has this drawstring thing, so it won't be too tight for my huge head, and it's actually I don't mind it on, which is shocking. I go like this to put it on. I mean, put on how you want. And go like that. Take all my hair like this. I find wherever the top is, and go like this. I'll show you from the side, I guess. Find the little drawstring guy. Make sure he's not too tight or too loose. And covers, this is the extra long one, because I think those two sizes. I'm weird. It has to stay over my ears. I cannot sleep. It is not comfortable if it goes behind my ears. I can't take it. So it's protected. When I sleep, I'll put it up like this on my pillow, and then I wake up and I need minimal refreshing tomorrow, especially because tomorrow is Saturday, so it is my workout rest day. I just do some light yoga and stretching, so minimal sweat hits my hair, and yeah. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please you hear me guys? Please thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.